how do you say this?
Whistling.
Whistling, almost like this, but there was a part of the forest with these small nuts which we don't eat. You know how they call this? Hrastovi oni.
Aha, žir misliš?
Žir. Kako se reče žir? You know the small.
From the oak, no, oak?
Yes.
The...
And as it was like ready to fall down, it was very, very mild and special sound when the wind was chopping them off the branches, but it was not like really strong picking up, but it was really light because they were falling through the leaves, and some of the leaves which were yellow and golden, they were taking them with itself, right? And it was like from time to time when the wind was coming, it was like this very special sound, and it stopped, and then next moment again. So maybe because it's this time of the year, maybe we will face some of it if we continue. When the wind blows and it picks up these nuts from the tree, it gives a really special sound.
Stemma.
Ja, stem. Modern age. See? Look. Humanity exploits the nature. It uses its force, to make the good for itself, but it's always on the edge. It's always limited. This is already Croatia. See those hills over there. We missed the road, so we will not come to the point that I wanted in the beginning. Maybe this can be the last point. Filming?